What up, what up? Welcome back. Another day doing modifications in the van. Got started without you. I just put my first hole in the van. I got my little template going on. The 2 holes. And I'm gonna shine the light from my phone through this first hole. I was just making pilot holes. And so I'm gonna shine my light on through there and we're gonna check it. So now I'm gonna get down underneath and check it from the bottom. It should be about right here. Yes! Oh yes, that's perfect. It's away from the chassis and far enough away from the tire where it shouldn't get crud in the intake. Oh, I'm happy. That's successful so far. Now it's time to drill the big holes. Yeah, I didn't hit the frame for the chassis. That's what I was trying to avoid most. Hopefully this thing will be running by tonight, maybe tomorrow. Gotta go to work later. And if we ever decide to move the heater and put in a shower, this is where the shower hole is gonna go. Well, these holes don't want to budge. This isn't breaking through. I'm gonna go to the bottom and work my way up. Woohoo! Stanky, way stinky. Woo. Looks like they line up to me so far. I have no idea what kind of treatment I need to put around these to seal this off. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. I mean, they fit pretty much tight already. They're pretty darn tight on here. Oh, that doesn't even fit through there. Yikes. That's gonna need to be bigger just because of that. That sucks. Okay, so a little bit of battery, gotta go quick. What I just figured out is that this metal one's the only one that's gonna go through the hole in the floor. So I gotta do some modifications to where like boom, intake through the floor, and then the rest of the intake hose. And then the little air filter for the intake here. I think we can start putting everything together. Holy moly, that was a hassle to have the intake and exhaust hooked up and then push those 2 tubes through the floor and to keep it all connected. Whew, working up a sweat, that was tough. Now let's put some gas in this and put it on the battery and see if it works. It should work. Now we got this monstrosity of a battery. It says to connect it directly to the battery. Then other things were saying to not connect the black negative to the battery, but to connect it to the body of the car, which is the negative, I guess. I don't know enough about electric. And we're gonna connect the wires just straight to the battery where the bolts are. Another thing this is really gonna force me to do is connect that battery to battery connector. That's gonna suck. I hope I know how to do that. I'm putting some gasoline in here and try and get this thing started. No, this isn't gas, this is diesel. I just need something this size. The diesel tanks are ginormous. This is going so slow. Oh, the fucking lid was in the way, that's why. Okay, try this again. There we go. Pretty much set up. Turn it on, see if it roars. Little remote control on. Well, it started, something turned on. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching as always.